You want to lighten your skin, but you're still using the same cream morning and night. Haba, make it make sense.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to lighten your skin safely using just 2 body lotions to avoid any side effects like dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks. So if you really want to lighten up your skin, even out your skin, clear your hyperpigmentation, and have a lighter, beautiful, glowing complexion, then this video is for you. Make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because you're going to be learning a lot in today's video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Now, you might be wondering, why do I really need 2 body lotions to lighten my skin? Why not just one? Well, if you really understand your skin, you will know that your skin have different needs during the day. In the daytime, your skin is usually exposed to the sun, heat, environmental stressors, dust, and the rest. While at night is when your skin enters into its healing mode. And that is exactly when your skin gets to repair or fix itself. So during the day, you will need more of a nourishing body lotion that can be able to moisturize and protect your skin from the sun and all these environmental stressors. At night is the perfect time for you to add that treatment body lotion or a lightening lotion in your skincare routine, because that is exactly when your lightening or active ingredients gets to work better. So when picking your lightening cream, you want to ensure that they contain safe lightening ingredients other than a bleaching cream. And ingredients to look out for while picking your lightening lotion or cream is ingredients like alpha arbutin, kojic acid, turmeric, glutathione, and the rest. Like all the ingredients listed here is what you should be looking out for in a safe lightening cream. Avoid ingredients like hydroquinone, steroids, mercury, and parabens because they are going to ruin your skin and make your skin worse, and that is not what you're going for. And another reason why I usually recommend you use your lightening creams at night is because that is when it gets to penetrating very deeply into your skin and help to clear your discolorations, uneven skin tone, and the rest. When your lightening cream comes in contact with the sun, it can easily give you a burn on the skin. It can cause you severe sunburn, discoloration, or even worsen the one that you're trying to clear out. So that is exactly why your lightening cream should be used at night other than in the daytime. So if you have been using just one lightening cream all day, I hate to break it to you, but that might be the reason why your skin still looks uneven with a lot of discolorations, dark knuckles, and green veins on display. Most of these lightening creams you use, when they come in contact with the sun, they are likely to backfire. They can cause you severe sunburn, discolorations, uneven skin tone. They can even worsen the one that you're trying to clear out. And the truth is, so many of you do not even use safe lightening lotions to start with. You just go and buy any form of bleaching cream and start using because they told you it's going to lighten you up. So to be able to avoid this and lighten your skin safely, you need to ensure that you always use a repeatable lightening cream other than buying all this Oshaprapra cream that promises to lighten your skin in a day or two. Like any body lotion that promises to lighten your skin within 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, my dear, I hate to break it to you, but they are going to ruin your skin.
You used to be yellow before. Now you're faded though. You're pale.
It might be working for some time, no doubt, but the way it's going to burn your skin later or afterwards, you're going to be regretting why you even went to use that particular body lotion at first. So it is better for you to even avoid it than allow that occur. In order to avoid all the stories that touches the heart, you need to introduce 2 lotions in your routine, and I'm going to be explaining this to you and how to use them. Now, when I talk about using 2 lotions in your routine, I don't mean you should go and buy QEI Plus body lotion and buy Fair and White body lotion or buy Q7 carats extracts body lotion and start using them together. No, stop mixing body lotions. If you are among those that have been mixing creams in order to achieve a lighter skin tone, please, you definitely need to stop, because most of you just mix body lotions that you don't even know the ingredient list.
I miss this TV because I want to be white in 1 week.
You pour one into the other without knowing that you're spoiling the formulation of that particular cream. And some of these creams, when you spoil the formulation, it's likely not going to work or do anything on your skin. Whereas some that contains ingredients that can counter react on your skin would definitely burn your skin. And that is why when you see some of these elderly women that were using bleaching cream, you will notice that they are having visible green veins, their skin is looking all shrinked, and they have all this manner of dark patches on their skin. And you don't want your skin looking like that when you get to your 50s. And that is exactly why I preach about using 2 body lotions in your routine. Now, you're going to need a day lotion or a day cream. And when it comes to your day lotion, you just need a lotion that can moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and give you a blended uniform skin while protecting your skin from the sun. So a nourishment cream is what you need during the day, and you should be able to look out for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or any regular moisturizer like the Vaseline Even Tone body lotions, the Nivea body lotions, the Dove body lotions. These are your nourishment body lotions because they can moisturize your skin without making your skin to be sensitive to the sun during the day. And that is exactly what you need in the daytime. Now, when it comes to your nighttime body lotion or cream, you need a cream that can either treat your skin or lighten up your skin depending on your skin goal. So since our goal today is to lighten up, you're going to be looking for the ingredients I mentioned earlier, because those are the ingredients that will safely lighten up your skin without damaging or ruining your skin barrier. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's talk about the exact products that I recommend. So for your daytime body lotions, you should look out for body lotions like CeraVe, EOS body lotion, Dove body lotion, Nivea body lotion, Vaseline body lotion. Like, these are trusted brands that you can use during the day and it's not going to bleach your skin, damage your skin, or ruin your skin. It's just going to serve as a regular body moisturizer and nourishment lotion. At night, you could use body lotions like QEI Plus body lotion, Fair and White body lotion, Q7 carat extract body lotion, Skin by Zaron body lotion, or any other body lotion that is safe or contains safe lightening ingredients. Now, I'll be giving you guys my top 5 body lotion combo that when you combine them together is going to give you that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin without ruining your skin. Now, the next thing I need you guys to know is that you don't need to pack too many lightening ingredients in your skincare routine. You need to be able to combine both nourishment ingredients and lightening ingredients together, because when you use only lightening creams in your routine, it can easily thin you out, and a lot of these lightening creams can actually be drying on your skin. So you don't want your skin shrinking or looking aged. You want your skin looking all fresh, all plump and nice. When people see you, they would definitely be wondering, hey, what is this person using? Or they will even follow you down to know what exactly you're using on your skin. Now, let me give you guys my top 5 body lotion combo that you can pair together or use in your morning and nighttime routine to be able to achieve that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin without bleaching your skin or having any side effects like dark knuckles, green veins, and the rest. The first combo I really love to recommend is the one that I personally use. I've actually been using this Vaseline Even Tone body lotion during the day and this Q7 carat extract body lotion at night. You see these 2 body lotions right here. These are my go-to body lotions. Like, this is what I personally use on my skin. This particular body lotion, I've been using it for 8 years, going to 9 years now. And I can tell you guys something for a fact. This is going to safely lighten up your skin if you get the original one. Because I heard there is lots of fake right now in the market. But if you get the original of this, it has a really nice fragrance and is going to help moisturize your skin, lighten up your skin gradually, and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. Now, when I pair it together with this Vaseline Even Tone body lotion, my skin looks all fresh because it's getting enough nourishment during the day and is also getting lightening ingredients at night. Even most times, I don't get to use this all the time. I can use it like 3 times within the week and use this one just every day as my moisturizer, and I am good to go. My skin will still look fresh and nice, and that is exactly what you want to do. Now, the next combo I have for you guys is combining this QEI Plus body lotion with this Neutrogena body lotion. You see this two combo right here. This is another combo that I have used and I really love it. Like, pairing the QEI Plus body lotion together with the Neutrogena body lotion is so amazing. Like, your skin is going to look so fresh and nice because the two lotions are moisturizing and nourishing on the skin, and this QEI is going to gradually tone up your skin before giving you that lighter skin that you're expecting. It's not a quick action cream. In fact, none of the lotions I'll be showing you is a quick action cream. These are safe lotions that will genuinely lighten up your skin and give you that even tone complexion that you're looking for without bleaching or damaging your skin. Now, the next combo I have for you guys is using this Correct body lotion at night and using this Nivea vitamin C body lotion during the day. You see these two body lotions right here? They are going to help you. In fact, this particular Correct is an everyday body lotion. You can use it in your day and nighttime routine, and it's going to even out your complexion. If you really want a smooth, beautiful, fresh, glowing skin, pair these two together and your skin is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Your fair skin will be glowing. Now, another lotion combo that I really love to recommend is the Skin by Zaron body lotion at night and using the Vaseline Glitter Hair body lotion or serum burst in the day. When you pair these two together, you will have your skin looking sumptuous. It will be so succulent, so nice, and even a lot of people will be complimenting you because your skin is fresh. You don't just want to lighten your skin and your skin will be looking unhealthy and thinned out. You want to lighten your skin and get compliments. So that is exactly what you're going to achieve combining any of those two lotions together. Now, the secret tip I'm going to be giving you guys is do not pack too many lightening ingredients in your routine, all in the name of lightening. Try and moisturize your skin, nourish your skin while trying to lighten your skin, and it's going to make a whole lot of difference. Now, when it comes to your shower gel or your bar soap or whichever soap you choose to pair with these body lotions, please go for a gentle brightening soap or a moisturizing soap, depending on what you want to achieve. If you really want a bright, beautiful, glowing skin, if you want your skin to lighten up without bleaching, then go for a safe brightening shower gel or glow shower gel. And one of my favorites to recommend is this Best Option shower gel. Is this Best Option carrot shower gel. This particular shower gel, if you have it in your routine, there is no need of buying a body scrub. Just use this on a day-to-day basis. It's very mild on the skin and it equally helps to exfoliate your skin. It can actually serve as your day-to-day shower gel and it's definitely going to work magic on your skin. If you can't lay your hands on the Best Option shower gel, you can get the S&K Duchess shower gel or the S&K Glutathione shower gel, or even this Fair and White shower gel. These are shower gels that when you pair them together with this day and night cream, they are going to work effectively on your skin. Now, do not forget to also exfoliate your skin and use a nice body oil or glow oil depending on what you want to achieve. My current go-to body oils are just this one, the CeraVet and the Glow Booster Lightening oil. Any of those two body oils is going to work wonders on your skin. I also use the Action Glow body oil, but I don't have it right here. But any of those body oils or any body oil you choose to use, even those Johnson's baby oil, is going to work wonders on your skin. Most importantly, do not forget to protect your skin during the day. A good sunscreen is going to go a long way in protecting your skin. See, in fact, when you're trying to lighten your skin, if you don't have money for a sunscreen, I would advise you just abort mission instantly, because you will need to protect your skin during the day in as much as you're no longer using your lightening lotion in the day. With all of that said, let me walk you through how to use these two body lotion combos to achieve the best lighter glowing skin ever. For best results, you want to apply or use your day cream before 10 a.m. in the morning to get the best results. That way, your body lotion can penetrate in throughout the day on your skin before you go about to get rid of it and apply your nighttime body lotion. So for your nighttime body lotion, you want to ensure that you apply that night lotion 1 hour before you go to bed. That way it can easily get absorbed into your skin and not rub off on your bedspread. So if you're the type that usually sleep by 8 p.m. at night, you want to ensure that your body care routine is done at 7 p.m. When you consistently use this combo for a period of 2 weeks to a month in your routine, see, you're going to definitely see visible results. You're going to look all fresh and your skin is going to look lighter, and not just lighter, it's going to be popping. So if you want your glow on another level, or you want to clear your pigmentations, lighten your skin or glow your skin, whatever reason you want to lighten your skin for, you just need to be consistent. Practice being consistent. So using two body lotions to lighten your skin is actually a smart and safe way that you can easily lighten your skin without damaging your skin and causing yourself different side effects. This method is actually going to help you lighten your skin safely and maintain that healthy glow that you always admire in other people's skin. I hope today's video was helpful, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from today's video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and if you really found this video helpful, or you know someone that might need it, just share with them. And see you in my next one. Bye.